Yes, digital product family, hope you guys are well, guys. We're coming to you from London town, sunny London town. It's even shining inside today. I hope you guys are well. Today's the day where I'm going to show you how to crush the competition so that you're the one left standing, selling all those fantastic digital products and getting that amazing passive income. So before I do, as usual, if you love digital products, you love selling, creating, researching, and all of that great stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And don't forget to share, guys, because sharing, as I keep saying, is caring. Anyways, without further ado, guys, check this one out. This is the one. Crush your competition. This is what you need to do. I'm going to give you the ingredients, the ingredients to crush it. I'm going to give you that gem, that big nugget, that pink diamond. I'm going to give you the one right now to actually finish off your competition. Check it. But it's going to require work. Anyways, let me show you. Look, I'm on Etsy right now. I'm just looking at bundles, right? People love bundles. Whenever I see bundle and I'm looking across, my eyes are drawn to it. So I could say, like, let me just go to, I don't know, Tumblr wrap, right? People love their Tumblr wrap, right? People looking at Tumblr wrap, but what do they do? What do they do, guys? I tell you what they do. They look, they scroll, and after they scroll, something will catch their eye. So let's say I'm looking to buy a Tumblr wrap design. I'm gonna scroll. I might be like, oh, this is quite nice. Something will catch your eye, you know, obviously, and then you keep scrolling, and then you'd be like, okay, these are quite. Hey, what the hell is that? And you'd be like looking across, and then you look at this one on the left, and you're like, what? 200 Tumblr wraps, easily edit, name in Canva, 200. And you're looking at the price, and you're thinking, okay, what? This is $11.95, $96, and then you're looking at some of these ones, and you're thinking, what? And the reviews are great as well. It's a no-brainer, guys. It's a no-brainer. You're gonna jump on that, and you're gonna buy it straight because it's everyone. The emotional pull for a deal is too irresistible. The emotional pull to pull you in and to go and buy this is too irresistible, right? And this is what I'm trying to say. You got to get the ingredients ready and right, yeah? If you want to crush that competition, you have to make sure that you do this, right? Let me get into this, right? A bit further. Check it. Now, I'm going to look at this. There's a lot I can study with this. I know the seller does very, very well. They know what they're doing. And I tell you why they know what they're doing. Because they are selling these bundles, right? So let me check it. Let me open up the store. So this is the store. Look, there are bundles for everything, right? 100 bundle number plate. 100 bundle Tumblr wraps skinny, 100 Tumblr wraps for specific niches that work, right? Specific niches that people search for anyway, generally, right? Ingredients, guys. You're not going to go for things that people don't look for. Look, sunflower, look at these, sunflower bundle Tumblr wraps, right? Because people love sunflowers and people do search for it, right? But look at this, 45 sunflower bundles, $9.96. Like, they're going cheap, right? And on top of it, there's a sale on. Look, these are the ingredients. You have to do bundles within the niche. So let's just break it down. If you're doing clipper, if you're doing tumblers, if you're doing mug wraps, whatever it is you're doing, this is how you have to do it. You have to make sure that you have bundles of 100, 200. Look at this. Doesn't have to be. Look, bundle of 40 bubble wrap puff, bundle of 50 country and western Tumblr wraps, right? There's 50 there. So you don't have to go with like hundreds. But what you should be doing is, your job right now is to build up your listings. Now look, okay, this store has 5,812. That's a lot of listings, right? So obviously they've built this up. You have to start building. Now is your building time. And as you build, you create these bundles. Now, this seller has 145 of these bundles. 145 bundles. Not single listings, guys. Bundles, right? Check the ingredients. Then check it. They have bundles within the niches. So me personally, I would do this. If you want to beat the competition, guys, you have to go all out. You have to go all out. You have to be ready. This is the time now, because you know what? They want to take those sales. You have to grab the sales. Now's the time, because Etsy is getting busy. It's getting real busy out there. So you have to go and you have to do what you got to do. You have to create those bundles quickly. You have to create your listings very quickly. Like, you have to, every day you should be looking at creating bundles. You have to look at what is working. Look at this one. They're doing stained glass. Stained glass is selling crazy well. This is only 70, right? 70 stained glass. We looked at this previously. We know it does well. We know it does well. We've checked it. It's only 70 designs, right? But 70, and if you analyze it, smart designs. I've looked at this one before. I'm not going to take long on this one. 7,599 a month, right? Right? It's a sale, so obviously take that into account. So it's not going to be as much as that. But guys, you have to be on trend. Look at what designs are selling. Look at what is looking good. Look at these 3D inflated. 3D inflated is getting to be, people are loving these 3D inflated designs. Get on the 3D inflated. So what you have to do, the ingredients are, get on trend, right? Get on trend. Get on the things that are selling. Get on the things that are trending within your niche. Create bundles for them, right? Create bundles for them, guys, right? Now, this is where it becomes really interesting. I personally would do this. I would create a small bundle, and then I would create almost a medium bundle. So for example, you might do this. Look at this. I might do a bigger bundle where, say you got 45 sunflower tumblers, you got cancer awareness tumblers, a bubble wrap puff bundles. I might put them all together into a medium sized bundle, right? This is what you do. You build up. You have a store full of bundles. Yes, you got your single listings, because they might go. They'll sell as well, by the way. And the thing is, you're getting eyes on your store. So bundle up. The key to this quick video is bundle up. Small, medium, mega bundles. And then to finish the whole thing off, you go all out and you put everything together, right? You put everything together. You put your whole together into one bundle. Now you can even do that from now, as long as, you know, keep building it. This is the entire store. So this seller is making money from the single listings, right? Check it. Single listings. What did I do? Right. This seller is making money from single listings. They're making money from smaller bundles, mega bundles, right? And the whole store. Look how many things they're actually ticking boxes. Now this whole store, they're making on an estimated monthly basis an absolute monster amount of $34,920 per month. Okay, I think it's on a sale. It is on a sale, 70% off. So to be honest, you got to shave off that 70%, and that is what you're getting right now. Although the sale ends in 5 hours, so if it wasn't on a sale, then that's what you would get per month. I mean, that is absolutely crazy, crazy. And what this doing is crushing everything else, right? So what is it? What's the ingredients, guys? Be on trend in your niche, making sure that you're producing these designs that are coming through, right? Remember what I went through? I went through sunflower, could be Highland cattle. I know I don't like it that much, but it's popular. You go with what's popular, create those bundles, then you create a bigger bundle, then you create an entire store, right? Now, to top this up, if you want to go further and you really want to just finish off that competition, right, and just crush it, then there's one more thing that you can do. And I'm not saying I advocate this, and I won't say that you need to do this at all. But what I will say is it will get you sales for sure. But you got to be smart, and you don't spend too much, and you make sure that you actually still make a profit. So don't get silly with this one. The other way is ads, is creating little ads to get you there. Now I'll tell you what I mean. Look, check this out. Why do you think? Look, bundle, a digital bundle. I'm just going to show you something, right? And you might think, why would they do that? Right? Because they're smart. And I'll tell you why they're smart. So digital bundles, I'm just going to show you this, right? I'm just going to show you this. And this is just all kinds of digital bundles, right? All kinds of digital bundles. You can see these. Okay. These are all kinds of digital bundles out there. So guys, let me just type in, let's say Tumblr wrap. I'm going to type in something. This is going to like give you like the final ingredient to get those amazing sales. Now, like I said, I don't say I advocate this, and I don't think it's something that necessarily you should do, but what it will pretty much do is it will supercharge, it will boost up that listing, and it will just get those, crash through all those listings and go right to the top if you do it correctly. And remember, I don't advocate, and I wouldn't suggest you spend too much on this. Keep it low spend. Make sure that you monitor it, because that's a whole new video on this one on ads anyway. But let's say you do it and you put a little bit of ad spend. Check this out. Why do you think on the top row, when I type in Tumblr wrap, right, you got bundles? Look at these. These are bundles. Check it. 12 Zodiac Star Tumblr wrap bundles. They have 1.4K, right? There's a Zodiac bundle Tumblr wrap, but they got 1.4K reviews as a store. Why would they have an ad? Why would they have an ad if they're already doing quite well, let's say? Why do you think they have an ad, right? And I can go on, right? Some of the best stores will have the ads because they know that if they can still able to pay, look at these. This is another row. Here's another row of ads, right? Here's another row. 26.7K. 26.7K. Do you know what that number is? That's crazy numbers for that Etsy store. You know, these guys are good sellers, and they've got 14 boho Halloween seamless skinny tumblers. Now, obviously, they're trying to promote Halloween because it's that time of year where you need to do that. But they've got an ad going on the first page for a bundle, and check it. They are good sellers. Look, they got 26.7K reviews. Why do you think they got ads? Because the smart sellers know that even if they're doing well, to maintain and get those sales, they're going to get those ad sales, and that will push up the organic sales. That will drag up your organic listing higher and higher the more sales you get. Because the one thing Etsy cares about, the only thing they care about is sales. So, like I said, guys, those are the ingredients to smash that competition and make sure that you get those amazing sales. But what you got to do, you got to start building your listings, because to get those bundles, you need to have a lot of listings. So start building, guys. The point of this video is to tell you to keep building, keep working, keep building, create those smaller bundles, medium, mega bundles, entire store. And I'm telling you, if you go through these and get those ingredients right, you will crush the competition. Guys, hope you liked the video. Please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget, check out my playlist, guys. Check out links in my description. See you in the next one.